Laugh at yourself laughter.
Just your two fingers touch your two eyes, stick here and laugh. And shake your head. Oh yes, our eyebrow also must stick up our eyebrow, touch our eyebrow and laugh. Imagine we are KM, we have got beard, touch your beard and laugh. Like Rashim and you, imagine we got spectacle. Yeah, not forgetting the mustache also, mustache. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay!
Very
Bagus,
good,
bagus.
bagus. Yeah.
Yay.